Hi guys, let's subtract this problem. We have 10,000 minus 1,786. Now, first things first, let's just reduce our vision. And if you have a piece of paper, I recommend doing this. I'm just gonna steal this one on the side. But we're gonna cover up everything up into the first ones place here. We have a 0 and a 6. We're subtracting these two. Can I subtract 0 from 6? I cannot. So I have to move over to the next place, which is 10's place. There's still a 0 here. I'm kind of, if you want to put the paper diagonal, you can, so you're really not messing with the 8. We're focused on the 6 right now. So I can't subtract 0 from 6, so I have to move over again to the hundreds place. I have another 0, so I gotta move over again. And I have another 0, all right. Over again to the 10,000s place, I have a 1, finally. So I can take away this 1. I'm gonna take away 1 10,000. So in other words, if I had a $10,000 bill, I'm going to take away this $10,000 bill and I'm going to split this up into something a little smaller. So now I have no $10,000 bills because I just got rid of that. And I'm going to split this up into something smaller. And the next thing to the right is I can create 10 $1,000 bills. So I have 10 $1,000 bills. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I split this $10,000 up into 10 $1,000 bills. So now over here on my problem, I no longer have that $10,000 bill, but now I have in the thousands place, I have 10 $1,000 bills, right? Okay, but that's still not what we need. We need to continue to go back until we can take away a number from the 6. Because that's where we have to start. You have to start all the way over here on the right, okay? So what am I gonna do? Well, I have 10 $1,000 bills. So I'm gonna take a $1,000 bill and I'm going to make it even smaller. I'm gonna see if I can reduce that. We're going over to the right here. We're in the hundreds place. I'm gonna take a $1,000 bill. Now we don't have 10 anymore, we have 9. So I'm going to change this number to 9. And I'm going to create, with this $1,000 bill, I'm going to create, well, I'm in the hundreds place, so I'm going to make 10 $100 bills. So 10 $100 bills. Okay, so now we have 10 $100 bills. I'm gonna section this off here so it's not super confusing. So this is $100 bills, this is $1,000 bills, and this was our $10,000, right? Okay, so now, oops, forgot to put a square around that. So now we have 10 $100 bills. We have to change our number up here on the 100s place. We're going to cancel that out. We're going to take and make it a 10 because now we have 10 of these, right? But again, we're not where we want to be, so we have to continue to reduce. I'm going to take $100 bill away. Whenever you do that, whenever you take $100 or 100 away, you're going to change the number in the 100s place, and you're going to bring it down to whatever number it was here, reduce that by 1. So now we have 9 in total, right? 9 $100 bills. So are you with me so far? I'm going to erase this side of the board so it doesn't get too messy, but everything else, the pattern is going to stay the same. And you know, I'm doing this a long way. I am visualizing it for you because I think it's really helpful to visualize if you're new to understanding this problem, or if you want a refresher on how exactly we're taking away these numbers and why this is happening. And it sounds bizarre at first, but I feel like visualizations really help. So that's why I'm drawing this out and I'm making this video a little bit longer. Okay, so we had 10 $100 bills. We took away one of the $100 bills. So now we only have 9. Now we're gonna move over to the next place, which is the tens place. And remember, we had a $100 bill that we took away. And we're gonna break this $100 bill down into, guess what? 10 $10 bills, right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we have 10 $10 bills, right? Okay, so with this, we are going to take one of these $10 bills. Well, first we're going to change up here this 0. We have 10 $10 bills now. But we got to take one more time. We have to take this $10 bill and we have to break it down even farther. We take a $10 bill away, we make this number a 9. So now we only have 9 in total. My cat. Being a little crazy back there. Okay, so now we have this $10 bill. We're finally in the ones place. Finally, we made it, you guys. We're in the ones place. So now we have 9, well, we take one of the 10s and we make 10 $1 bills. If you hear the scratching, it's my cat. So she likes to make her presence known. All right, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 $1 bills, and now this 0 in the ones place becomes a 10. And guess what? Hope you can see that. Yeah. Guess what? We can now subtract. We can now subtract finally after all this hard work. So now instead of a 0, we have a 10. So 10 minus 6, 4. And then we have a 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. Then we have 9 minus 7, which is 2. And then we have a 9 minus 1, which is 8. And this is our answer, 8,214. And there's another way to do this that's quicker and easier. But again, if you're familiar with the box method, essentially the same thing. I will make another video about that. But I just wanted to focus on the visualization of this one. And hopefully this helps. So thanks for watching.